Hi, today we are going to draw a tree in a village. It's a simple pencil sketch we're going to make, and the same technique I've used to sketch all these artworks. This particular one is done in Kalakshetra, Chennai, during our Chennai Weekend Artist meetup. And this one is a root of the tree. Even that's beautiful, right? Nadesan Park in Chennai, near Mylapore. And this one is a huge banyan tree in IIT Chennai. It's a live sketch. All those are live sketch. This is using a photograph, and this is in between Tenkasi and Sundarabandippuram in South Tamil Nadu. Okay, so today I'll demonstrate the process of making such beautiful artworks, sketches of the tree. So I'm big fan of Staedtler pencils. I like them. I've used 8B pencil, then Staedtler EE pencil, which is quite dark. So I start drawing with Staedtler 8B pencil. And this is the photograph which I took near Tanjore, Kumbakonam. It's a simple and beautiful tree and a small hut. I'm just outlining, making outline with thin lines first. So planning it, the relative sizes I'm planning, and the shapes I'm drawing. So start with these thin lines, and if you don't like, you can erase it and do some corrections. So I'm deliberately trying to make the trunk of the tree little thicker, and look at all the roots I'm drawing, and they are not present in the reference, but I love to draw like this, adding more branches for the roots. That will make it more interesting. So I love those kinds of tree having beautiful roots. Okay, I'm trying to draw the branches of a distant tree which is behind the hut. Thin branches I'm defining. See, the reference photographs you need not reproduce as it is. That's only for reference. Then you can add your stuffs and kind of approximation you can do. So I'm just defining the bunches of leaves in the tree. You can plan them. Here I'm planning to leave the branches of the tree white. Okay, each bunch I'm trying to give some shade. There's various kind of shades, somewhere darker and somewhere light. So mostly in the top of the bunch it is dark, it's lighter. The bottom of the bunch it is little darker. And notice the edge of the particular shape looks like leaf. So everywhere it's kind of leafy. Now I'm making relatively darker lines for the branches. So every bunch individually I'm giving shade. The shading here I'm using uniform parallel lines in different directions. So that's my favorite. And somewhere almost in the bottom of almost in every bunch I do the lines again to make it darker. So look at this, I'm adding few leaves also in the edges. So that will make like real leaves when you complete. Leaving out the branches as white, giving the shading to the bunches and increasing the tonal variations, somewhere darker and somewhere lighter, these branches. Now defining these branches. I have another pencil also. It's a Staedtler EE pencil which is more darker, which I'll be using later. But for this background tree, I use Staedtler 8B pencil like this. This is the pencil lead. And as I said earlier, you don't have to reproduce exactly, so you can give variations as per your likings. So the nice background branches I've done, adding little bit of leaves here and there. Look at the small leaves I'm adding. Okay, so now I'm adding darker branches. Couple of darker branches. There is a light branch, there is a dark branch, and the medium tone shading in the background. So these all will make it more beautiful. And some distance bush. So I do not worry much about it. So I give simple plain shading. I do not want to add more details. So I want to leave it like this, keep it simple. It's a river and couple of reflections. So now let's focus on the hut. It is having some light falling on the hut. So I'm finding the shadow area and trying to give a uniform background shade first. So this is a shadow area. So I've just given the shading. So I'm defining this simple gate present in the hut. Now trying to add more lines in the hut, in the shadow area, darker lines. So I'll also adding these lines over the hut also. Now you will be able to clearly see the shadow area and the area in sunlight. The shadow area probably I'll make it more darker a little later. The edges I'm making them more darker like this. So I want to emphasize this hut. So probably a little later I'll be using my Staedtler EE pencil. So this is my Staedtler now. I'm using it and making it more darker. I mean, I've played this video double the speed. So probably if to save the time of the video, so you can pause at any time and you can try to understand what's going on. Okay, so let's add something interesting there, and I'm just adding a human. I saw him. He took a bath and in the river and coming out fresh. This little hut is a small temple for him. He has they have placed God, and after taking bath he comes and prays, then goes to his home. So here it's going to be a shadow. So I've defined the boundaries. Now I'm just giving a clean shading, uniform shading in that area. A little later I might add some. So okay, now itself I'm adding some little plants like this. Okay, so this area is under sunlight. So I want to add these texture not in dark but light color, light tone. So I finish the left side first, then come to the right side. Okay, the tree branches, I'm trying to define the highlights. I'm trying to identify the highlights where the sun is falling. The rest of the area I would do simple shading. So I'm starting with this interesting branch. And here there is a hole like thing. So this I'm giving some shade. So one at a time. This at the end it's going to be look like a complex one, but handle one at a time. It's going to be quite easy. So defining this darker shade gives good depth and understanding of the tree. So this area there is not going to be a light, and I'm simply shading it. So defining in this branch, I'm trying to give a simple shading for the places where light is not falling, and there are small ovals where the light would fall. That gives me good idea. So this place also a shadow area. In the original image, this branch was broken, but I am trying to extend it. So I'm trying to add some textures, and first basic tone I'm adding there. So the right side of the tree is going to be in sunlight, so I will not be doing a darker shade, but this light shade will do. And so adding more tones and depths. The tree has two kind of lines. There are vertical lines, you can use it for the shading, and the spiral and horizontal lines, you can use it. So you can observe little spiral, little curvy lines in those edges. That defines the contour of that surface. So the branches above, they are interesting. The trunk is bigger and branches go thinner. The same thing happens in the roots also. To start with, the roots are bold, thick, then they slowly go thinner. So I love drawing these roots always, which overlap each other. You can nicely plan. Okay, now defining some texture for the trunk, but this is all with 8B pencil. So when it is very clear and clean, then when everything is done, to make it dark, I will use the darker pencil, which is a AE pencil Staedtler. That's more like a charcoal pencil, quite dark. So notice that curvy lines which I do it in the branches. So the depth is slowly able to do it. Depth we are getting it, and almost we can feel the tree now with all the ups and downs and all the tones and all the shapes. So we need to do the same for the roots. Roots are quite interesting, and if you practice a couple of times, it's going to be quite easy. When you start drawing, so you observe the roots, one going over other, one coming below that, and there is a nice dark shade below that and all that. So try doing yourself couple of times, then you will get a hang of it and easily you can do any routes. So these are huge trees, and so this particular tree is a peepal tree, and it's quite strong, beautiful, majestic. So commonly you see in every village, and particularly near the temple, banyan tree and peepal tree both you can see. So observe these shapes and you should be able to do it easily. So kind of I'm done with the roots. I might revisit with the darker pencil. So these are the kind of stones representing some god in village. And there is a fence I'm making it. So behind which there is a bush. So making the bush and is always quite easy. So you have to define the areas, light shade and dark shade, alternate them. So probably keep the dark shade in the below and maybe few lines of the leaves. So kind of done with the bush quickly. Try to define a small tree. The approach is same. Define the bunches of leaves, then start giving shades. Maybe a couple of leaves you can define. Now for the leaves of the peepal tree, the big tree, I'm just see this. I'm drawing the leaves mostly, then defining some areas, and drawing the leaves doesn't take much time, but that is definitely will add the beauty to the tree. And you can define the areas and give shading also. Okay, almost done. I have to improve the depth, so I'm coming up with the darker pencil and starting to give the darker tones for the whole kind of thing in the tree. And near the roots also definitely there will be the darker places, so identifying them and making them darker. So it's going to be always fun with the darker pencil. You have to practice and get good hang of it. So these, observe all the vertical lines I make and the horizontal lines. To make the necessary things darker and go on doing it. So I'm not planning to make the background, those branches dark. So I'm making this big tree and the hut darker so that they stand in the front. That's my cuckoo bird. sitting there as if it's welcoming someone. So we are almost done with this tree. Hope you enjoyed it. These techniques, start using it. So let me know if you have any issues. You can send your work to me. So I'll give you the feedbacks. So enjoy drawing the nature. So I take art classes also for the kids. Sketching, oil pastels, then watercolor, then mixed media. Different courses I have. So you can check with me. At my site, you can see all the course details. I take classes for the seniors also. Basic drawing course. This particular one is part of basic drawing course for seniors. Then watercolor course for seniors also I do. Then figurative drawing, portraits also I take classes. Okay, enjoy the art and celebrate your life. Hope you enjoyed the video, and kindly subscribe and share with your friends also if you like it. So this is my site, cuckoo.in. It has my artworks and art class details. I am Muralidharan Alagar. Bye for now. See you later. Good day.